Morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. So it's a bit of a dull overcast day today, so we have been working on this 2015 65 plate Burstner. It's a travel van, and we've taken out the factory fitted Xenic radio and fitted an Alpine 7-inch navigation system. It's the iNE-W720DC. This particular unit, apart from being a 7-inch in-dash unit, has got wired Apple CarPlay and it's got built-in navigation, so you've got 3 years free map updates with the TomTom system, and it's going to work as seamlessly as it can do with this vehicle. So what we're going to do is jump on inside and show you just a brief overview of it working. It's already on our website, we've done a few videos before, but it just goes to show that there are a lot of varying options as to what you can have fitted in these motorhomes. So join me inside. Now, this old radio was quite a common and popular choice by a lot of the motorhome manufacturers because of the fact that it fitted nicely into the Fiat Aperture and gave you other options. So you've got your FM, you've got your DVD player and CD player built in, and it also had preamps, which means that you could connect it so that you could play the DVD player on here but connect it to another monitor or TV and listen to it through the speakers. So this is actually dead, and the customer came to us because of the fact that he wanted a system that was similar. Now, a lot of the modern systems these days don't have DVD or CD players, they're mechless, and this is one of the same as well. The iNE-W720D is one of the older models from Alpine, but still has navigation because they're moving away from having built-in drives and built-in navigation because they want to use things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So you still have your FM, and FM is again, you know, very, very popular, but again, motorhomes struggle with reception and whatnot. So if we hit the menu here, you've then got your DAB radio, and when you go into your DAB radio, you can go in and press your search button here, and you've got all the available stations that you would normally listen to. This particular customer has opted for the glass-mounted DAB antenna, which is fine because some of the newer ones have them in the wing mirror. Some customers, if they have the budget, will opt for something on the roof. So we've also integrated and retained the customer's rear camera. So the quality of rear cameras in motorhomes, I say this every time, is not great. So what we have done is when we put the vehicle into reverse gear or press the dedicated camera button, you'll get the rear image like so. Yeah, ignition's on. We do have a vehicle parked behind us at the moment, but there's only limitations, one of the Alpine resolution and 2 of the resolution of the camera that's fitted. If the camera that's fitted is now 8 years old, then technology has moved on a great deal. But if you can take it out of reverse like so, and you can also then press the camera button, which is your dedicated camera button as well. You can add things like guides, but guidelines on a motorhome, to be honest, don't really work that well, and can be a bit misleading because of the height as well. So ultimately, this is the iNE-W720DC. The C stands for camper. It's got a dedicated camper mapping and database on there for the ability to add your restrictions of your vehicle. So you can enter your weight, your width, and your length, and most importantly your height. So not your width, but your height. So that 1, you don't get taken down the really narrow roads. 2, you don't get taken under a low bridge, but also weight restrictions and other stuff, because motorhome owners always say the same thing. You're driving a big vehicle, you don't really want to get caught down a road where you can't turn round and then have to reverse out. That causes arguments and gets frustrating. So go into the main menu here. This is your quick access for your TomTom navigation. and you can change your different views on the screen like so. 3D is my most popular one because, or it's my favourite, just because you can see further out from an angle exactly where you are. So if you're using Apple CarPlay, you're going to get Google Maps with satellite view, but having built-in navigation really helps, because if you're in the middle of nowhere with no mobile phone signal, you're going to be able to get out, and that's the most important thing. So 65 plate Fiat Ducato motorhome. It's a Burstner, it's a travel van, and this particular vehicle has had the Alpine iNE-W720DC. So it's 7-inch navigation model with Apple CarPlay, still got FM, DAB, Bluetooth, USB, all the mod cons. Haven't got any steering wheel control, but we have retained the reversing camera. So more importantly, if you have one of these and you want to get this something fitted or something upgraded, get in touch with us and then we can give you a quote and get you one of these installed or something similar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family, follow us on social media, and thanks for watching.